call Lauren to see if she's ready for the trip. Okay, see you then.
You get up.
She's here already. Ready?
Yeah, sure. Alright, I brought my coat and everything.
Man, sure is calm out here.
Yeah, it is. It's also chilly, too. Good thing I brought my coat.
I didn't. Whoa, what is that?
I think it's a tsunami.
I think we should run.
Hey, Michael, get up.
Oh, where are we?
I think it's an island.
Whoa, let's go inside that cave.
Yeah.
This cave is cool.
Yeah. Hey, what's that?
What is it?
Treasure?
We should take one. Man. Wow, look, it's some dolphins. Maybe I could ride one.